If you want to record audio in Evernote, whether you're on desktop, web, or just want a faster way to capture voice notes inside a notebook, this guide will walk you through it step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a recording, stop it, and save it directly into your notes so you can keep your ideas, reminders, meetings, or voice memos all in one place. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Evernote tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Evernote on your desktop or in your web browser. You can start with a brand new note or open in an existing note where you want the audio to be saved. This is helpful if you're taking meeting notes, brainstorming, or just want to add a voice memo to an existing project. Once your note is open, look at the note editor toolbar. You'll see an insert button, usually marked with a plus icon. Click that insert button to reveal more options. If you prefer a quicker method, you can also type /audio directly into the note and then press enter. That shortcut is one of the easiest ways to speed things up when you already know what you want to add. After that, from the menu that appears, choose audio recording. As soon as you click it, Evernote will begin recording immediately. You should notice the audio waves moving on the screen, which tells you the microphone is actively capturing sound. Speak clearly into your microphone and remember to keep background noise to a minimum if you want the best possible recording quality. This is especially useful if you're recording ideas on the fly, a quick lecture summary, or a personal voice reminder. When you're finished recording, click the stop button. The great thing about Evernote is that it automatically saves the audio into your note as an attachment, so you don't have to export anything manually or worry about losing your recording. After it's saved, you can leave it right there in the note alongside your text, images, or checklists for easy reference later. If you want to play it back, simply open the note and use the attached audio file. That makes Evernote a really convenient tool for keeping written and spoken notes together in one organized place. So just to recap, open or create a note, click insert or use /audio, choose audio recording, start speaking, and then stop when you're done. It's fast, simple, and perfect for capturing information without typing everything out. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.